Good morning. I'm out here with Nellie, my 1960 Morris Minor, who is still called Daisy. I've had her now for, it'll be 3 weeks tomorrow, so I think it's about time I remove this, and at some stage I will replace this with Nellie. But my priority today is just to get this off. Now, I have been putting this off because it has been really icy cold and it's been raining a lot, and it was meant to be dry today, but as I've sat down to do this job it's starting to rain. Yeah, I'll see how I go. If the rain gets too crazy I might have to stop, but it seems like it's a passing shower right now. So anyway, so I've been looking up tips and tricks to take these adhesive letters off, and the way to do it seems to be some kind of heat source, preferably a hairdryer or a heat gun, followed by some good old dental floss, which you kind of get under the letters and saw it off. Now, I can't use electronics out here because our electric isn't great. It's an old system. I don't really feel safe plugging something in and using it outside, particularly if it's raining a bit. So gone for the old-fashioned method. I have a bucket of very hot water. It was boiling, now it's just really hot. Obviously you don't want to be putting boiling water on your paint, but this is just kind of hot. So yeah, I'm gonna lay, I'll just show you actually. Oh, that is actually quite hot. I have an old flannel which I might need to let this cool down a bit, but the idea is you put a hot cloth or flannel, you lay it over the letter to warm the area and to obviously soften up the adhesive, and you then get in there with your floss and you saw it off. So that's my plan. Now, doing it this way should hopefully take the letter off and take off most of the adhesive at the same time, but you probably will be left with a little bit of adhesive, and that's where this comes in. Some WD-40, just a little bit of that, you rub it over the area and basically roll off the adhesive that's stuck to your paint. Now this is all theory. I'm going to see if this works, but anyway, this rain, I don't know if I'm going to be able to, bear with me, let me get a towel. I'm not the only crazy person out here. There's someone a few doors down doing stuff to their car as well. They obviously saw the forecast that it wasn't due to rain, and so they're kind of mid-job and it's raining. But anyway, let's see. If I was putting letters on, I wouldn't even attempt this today because I wouldn't want to be trying to stick adhesive to a wet surface, but because I'm taking them off, a few little specks of rain hopefully shouldn't make a difference, but we'll see. Anyway, let's see how this goes. My gloves are going to get wet, but I can deal with that. Okay, so lay this on. I don't know if this is hot enough actually, but I actually feel a bit nervous about doing this in case I ruin the paint, but so I'm not going to overdo this. If I find the letters aren't coming off easily, I will look at doing it differently, but it's worth a try. Now, I haven't actually seen anyone do it this way where they put hot water on it. Most people use a hairdryer or a heat gun, but I can't, so just have to make the best of it. Okay, moment of truth. So you get the, which is quite well stuck, you know, you get the adhesive under there. Oh, actually it's getting under. kind of like a soaring motion. Oh! Well, it came off, actually. It came off a lot easier than what I expected, but I have been left with this. So let me get the letters off first. What's that? Oh, that's gone. Just heard a crash, but it's just someone putting the bins out, or putting the rubbish out. Anyway, I think the rain has kind of stopped, so that's cool. Right. Yeah, let me get these letters off and then I'll figure out what to do with the black bits. So yeah, this works to a point. Definitely softening up the adhesive with some hot water on a cloth, as long as it's not boiling, just hot. I mean, I did put boiling water in this, but I've let it sit in the cold for a bit before I actually okay. Let's try again. Hopefully they all come off as easy. Oops, this one's okay. This one's given a bit of resistance, so I'm going to warm it up a little bit more. So from what I've read, if you feel any resistance, so if it's not slicing through the adhesive easily, put some more heat on it before you continue. You don't want to force it, because that is when you're going to chip your paint. You need to make sure it's nice and warm. Soaking. I mean, I guess these are only stick-on letters from Halfords. They're not like, and they only would have been on her for probably the last year or two. Oh, yeah, that's off. I feel it cutting into my fingers, but be worth it. Okay, now we go to the eye. Those are all off. I'm going to take off my gloves actually, because they're not doing anything. They're just soaking. Right, so next job is to get this off. Now this is going to be the hard bit, I think. So I don't want to be using any scrapers or anything. I know I've seen people using like credit cards and stuff to kind of get adhesive off, but yes, I've seen it work, but normally they will have a modern car, and this is original paintwork, so this is 1960s paintwork. I'm not going to be so I'm just going to kind of use, it kind of does roll off, it's just going to take ages. I'm just going to fast forward this bit, because you're not going to want to sit and watch me do this for hours. Love hearing the church bell. I can pretend I live in a little village. I don't. Could have been a little village at one time, but it's not now. But hearing the church bell does give it a little village vibe around here. Last one is actually the toughest one. The others were coming off quite easily, but this one is quite stubborn. I haven't had to break out the WD-40 yet, but I might have to for this one, maybe. It wants to come off, but it's that middle bit is really, really stuck. They are off. So I didn't even have to use the WD-40, the hot water did the job. Now, I don't know if you can see from there, but there is still the outline of Daisy, obviously where the letters have been stuck there for the last sort of 2-3 years. But I'm not overly worried. Once the weather gets better, I'll be giving her a good wash and wax, so that should hopefully take care of this. And then I'll get the new letters put on, which will be Nellie. But I'm not in a rush to do that. I really just wanted the Daisy off, just so she isn't identified as Daisy anymore, because she's Nellie. So, because I find I slip up sometimes and call her Daisy when I'm talking about her, because I'm used to her being Daisy. But anyway, that's done. So that wasn't actually too bad. Well, for the record then, if you don't have access to or can't use a heat gun or a hairdryer, if you are doing a job like this and you do need some heat, the old cloth in hot water, as long as it's not boiling, it actually works. So yeah, that's good to know. And apparently this works too for getting the adhesive off, but I didn't need it. But if I had needed it, if this had been a bit more stubborn, that probably would have been quite good. But anyway, all done. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, give me a like and a comment, even if you've got any more car tips. Always happy to learn. And maybe subscribe if you want to see some more content like this. But yeah, bye for now.